Good morning class. Today in this video I will continue line wise explanation of the chapter 2 stories about flying. First part, that was 24 hours ago. Since then nobody had come near him. The young seagull was left all alone on the rock, and brother and sisters of the young seagull, even the parents of young seagull, they had gone for flying, and young seagull was left all alone for 24 hours. No one had come to the young seagull, near the young seagull. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sisters, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. The young seagull was left all alone on his rock where he was living, and he was watching how the parents of young seagull were giving training to the younger brother and sisters of the young seagull. They were perfecting them how to catch, how to skim, how to slightly land on the surface of the sea wave. He was also watching that how the parents are giving them training how to dive into the sea water and to catch the fish. But the young seagull was only watching, and the parents of young seagull were giving training to the younger brother and sisters of the young seagull how to catch fish and how to lightly land on the surface of the sea wave. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring. Herring, it is a kind of fish which is found in the sea, to devour it. Devour means to gobble it, to eat up it. And then the young seagull from his rock, he noticed that his older brother caught a fish. The name of that fish he caught, the name of that fish was herring, and after catching that fish he had gone to another plateau and he was devour it. Devour means he was eating it, he was gobbling up it. Standing on a rock while his parents circled around, raising a proud cackle, and the parents of the young seagull, they were moving around the older brother of the young seagull because he had done a good deed by catching a herring fish from the sea. So they were encircled the older brother and they were praising him. They were arising a proud cackle. And all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. And the parents of young seagull, even the whole family, brother and sisters of young seagull and the parents of young seagull, after giving training to the younger brother and older brother of the young seagull, the parents and the brother and sisters had gone to the another rock that was just opposite to the rock of the young seagull, and they were sitting on that rock and they were taunting him. Taunting means they were making fun of young seagull's cowardice, timidness, fear. The sun was now ascending the sky. Now it was noon. The sun was in the middle of the sky, blazing on his legs, and the sun rays were falling, hot sun rays were falling on the on that rock where the young seagull was living, that faced south. It means now the sun had gone to the south direction and the hot sun rays were falling on that rock where the young seagull was there. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since previous nightfall. The young seagull was hungry because he had not eaten anything for 24 hours, her previous nightfall he had not eaten anything, so he was not able to tolerate the hot sun rays. He stepped